Looking for a super durable band for your Apple Watch? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Apple Watch band from BANDLETIC. These are very durable bands for the Apple Watch. BANDLETIC makes all types of different bands for the Apple Watch, and they look super stylish. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at these Apple Watch bands from BANDLETIC. These are the tactical magnetic interlocking bands for the Apple Watch right here. Very, very cool. Packaging looks really nice, really sleek. Let's open it up. Nice little slide out sleeve here for the cases. And this is the first one we're taking a look at. Right here, this is the orange one. It's got some kind of embroidery right here. This looks really, really cool. Nice material right here on it as well. And of course, you know, these can be adjusted so that you can get the right height and everything. And of course, these can be adjusted right here to get the right length you need to be able to fit your wrist in there. But that's super simple to do, as you see, you know, pretty much just a Velcro strap right here, adjust the length, and then slap it back down. Right here, this is what will go in your Apple Watch, but this is one of the cool things about it. This is a magnetic band right here, so you'll be able to just pop that off, and then it magnetizes, see? And then it just instantly locks right back into place. So again, you take that, stick it in there, it locks in really nicely. I'm pushing, I'm pulling, nothing's happening. In addition to that color, they also sent me this one, which is in black. I really like this little tab right here being orange. I think it kind of creates enough separation there that it's not just a bland look. And again, you know, got that Velcro in there for easy setup and adjustment. And it just looks really nice. It's really, really clean. Again, the same magnetic. That's what is so special about this one, is the magnets on these. But as you see right there, just how they kind of sock it in. You see that little locking thing right there underneath it? That is part of it. So it goes underneath that to lock in. So very, very nice. Let's go ahead and get these on an Apple Watch and try them out. This is the BANDLETIC Interlock Magnetic Tactical Band for the Apple Watch. BANDLETIC was born from the vision of a group of avid outdoor enthusiasts who realized that the gear they use should not only withstand the rigors of nature, but also reflect the spirit of adventure that defines their lives. As hikers, surfers, skiers, climbers, trail runners, and explorers, they understood the need for a smartwatch band to keep up with their ambitions. The Interlock Magnetic Tactical Band features size adjusting. It's engineered with rugged durability for instant custom fit adjustments. It's breathable all-day wear. Skin-friendly premium nylon ensures supple softness and effortless comfort. And it's easy to disassemble. Perfect fit, quick to remove or install. Sturdy design keeps it securely locked. It also comes in multiple different sizes, from 165mm to 180mm in the medium size, and the large being 180mm to 215mm. Comes in multiple different colors in black, green, and orange. And some people are wondering, how quick and easy is it to put on, adjust, and take off? Well, thanks to the patented magnetic hook and Velcro system, you'll hear a satisfying click when it locks into place, and removal is just as effortless. Most customers can slip it on and off in under 5 seconds and micro adjust the fit on the fly without any tools. And if you're wondering if the band will stay secure during workouts or other activities, well, guess what? Yes. The dual action hook plus magnet design combines mechanical locking with a strong neodymium magnet, creating a rock solid hold. Reviewers report zero slippage during running, HIIT sessions, and even when lifting heavy weights. And it's super durable because it's built from tear resistant nylon and reinforced at stress points. This band outlasts most stock Apple and Garmin soft straps. Customers note no fraying, stretching, or loss of grip, even after months of daily wear, sweat, and occasional showers. So BANDLETIC has got you covered. When it comes to durable, stylish Apple Watch bands that are going to be perfect for your active lifestyle, yeah, BANDLETIC's got you covered. Great job. This is our first time working with BANDLETIC, and I gotta say, they're an awesome company. Their dedication to quality and customer support, just the style of the bands themselves is very chic. Did I mention that they're super durable? We'd like to give a huge shout out to BANDLETIC for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.